It's exciting to see all this tech. It it's almost seems to me like it kind of almost just popped up, or at least maybe in our world or in my world, it just seems like it was just here recently that a couple of the big ready mix producers that we've been in contact with adopted some of these technological advances, and I'm starting to see it trickle, through the industry now. And one of our customers is a big, they have a lot of those command sensors in their trucks, and we've got other prospects and people that we talk to throughout the industry, and I refer them back to the guys that already have them in the trucks because they're all curious about them. And I think this information is doing nothing but good things for the industry, especially like we always like to give the truck drivers a hard time. These truck drivers now have all kinds of information at their disposal, and they can become better truck drivers, and they can be more familiar with the product they're delivering and take it upon themselves to ensure that uh, the quality of that product, you know, maintains or exceeds expectations.